Hey, check out this melody I wrote. What if I told you that I literally lifted most of this material straight from the man Beethoven himself? Yeah, I did that. Nothing says Beethoven more like Ode to Joy. This is one of the most popular, one of the most well-known melodies of all time. That's kind of nuts. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to write a melody just like Beethoven here using Ode to Joy as a base, as a reference. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to fish for some objects. This is actually a really hard piece to use objects for because they're mostly quarter notes, really. We have quarter notes, and then we have the dotted quarter note to an eighth note here. So one thing that we can do is we have a repeated note over here, repeated note over here. So that's an object. We have a repeated note over the bar line going from 4 to 1. Okay, don't have that here, but we have it there, almost every other bar. So that's one thing, boom. And we also have a repeated note over here as well. Every time there is a repeated note, 1 and 2 is also repeated. So that's another thing that we can use. Anything else? So here we are, let's make our own little Beethoven guy. So first thing, I liked those repeated notes. So let's just put those in right now. Taking a note at random over here, right? So we have that. Gonna keep that, same thing here, right? Every other one, and same thing here. Why don't we take this this dotted quarter note to an eighth, use that as the sort of main thing instead of writing these quarter notes. I like it. I like it. Pulling a switcheroo. Let's start on the E there. All right, so far so good. We have a repeat here. We have a repeat there. Those are, I don't know if I like that being E's. Yeah, that's too much. Okay. Maybe a G there. All right, make that a half note. Let's see how this sounds so far. Totally fine. We just took one motive. We took this motive and changed it with that instead. We even kept the same note. You can hear how it still kind of sounds like Ode to Joy, sounds like Beethoven, but still kind of making its own thing happen. Ooh, okay. Kind of sensing like we're also going to be ending on kind of 5 like Beethoven is. Maybe some eighth notes here. And then, yeah. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Too many G's. Too many G's over here. There it is. Ooh, what if we kind of did it sneakily more? Yeah, I like that. Okay, because we're still making the same thing happen over the bar line like we wanted to. I think I like the E better. Change that to an E. See how that sounds. Pretty. What would it sound like if we just did a direct sequence of this? What does Beethoven do? Let's use Beethoven. Oh, he just used a descending line. Oh, so maybe we're doing less like Beethoven. Yeah, that feels a little bit better. It's less like Beethoven, but it's more similar to Beethoven's context of like the bridging the classical and romantic eras. So we have our 4 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. That's it. We just wrote a melody like Beethoven. Let's go a little bit farther. Let's maybe take a little bit of this, take what we have and, vary it. What we have here is very, very classical / romantic, very Beethoven. So we have a little pattern, a little idea. We repeated it and we sequenced it down. Then we continued with our quarter note pattern. We had some eighth notes and then maintained EE, the GG, DD, DD, E over there, all good. So then we kind of played on that a little bit, had the 8th note coming in a little early, popping up here, continuing our motive, the CC over here. But now we drop the motive, we liquidate the motive and do what Beethoven does over here. Over here, just straight descending line down a scale. We're doing that same thing here, but doing it twice before liquidating right up to our octave. Let's hear that back in its entirety. Boom, there you go. That is how you can write a melody just like Beethoven. If you're looking for more melody tips, check out my free guide, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody. You can head to justwritemusic.com to grab that. There's a link down in the doobly-doo. If you want to know for sure whether or not your melody is actually good, you can go ahead and click on the video that's popping up right now, and I will see you over there. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.